Good job. And hello everyone. Hello Benjamin. Everything okay? Yeah? Hello Emily.
Hello.
Everything okay?
Yeah.
So what we gonna doing today?
Fishing.
We go fishing. Yeah, Ben, we go fishing. Yeah, we are at Gem Fishing Park right now already, starting slowly. Yeah, step by step. I will show you around all the place here. All over the place. Yeah, they have some places where you can just open your base, prepare your base, and then start your fishing right here. Sorry for the wind noise. Go inside. Yeah, right here then they have a drinking coffee corner. Prices right there for the drinks. Kids starting already over there, and then actually I have to say it's a huge place. Now I will show you around everything here, of course. And then by the way, this place is owned by a cousin from Tiks, and then his wife, who is right there, is taking care this place here. So where she going right now, also for your information already, is this is the kitchen area. So actually they have food here as well what you can order. Now she just preparing the barbecue. I think we will get some chicken or something. So it's family business from Tiks side. The cousin from her own this place, and then the wife from him taking care. So very nice. It's the first time for us here as well, and I think the children will have super fun, of course. Then here are the tools what you need for fishing. Just keep it simple. Just a bamboo stick and some line on it, and then they give it for rent here, which is 100 baht per day. Here's then the area next to the coffee shop and the kitchen, where we set up our base. Hello, how are you? Hello. Start cooking already? Yeah. This one I think will be also beautiful. Just need a little bit more time. This place is actually not that old. That's why it's not fully covered with the flowers right now, but it's in the end it will be really beautiful. And then here, as you can see, also still some construction going on. They set up a bridge already, and then just preparing. I think rice field is the idea from them, that you're walking through a rice field or something. Over there still construction going on, but the idea what they had, I think, is really cool to spend then a very nice relaxing day here in Buriram. Small bungalows, 1, 2, and one more. Okay, cool. Let's see if it's possible to have a look. Okay, no one there, and locked. Let's try this one here. Also locked. But I think, yeah, will be a bed inside, a small bathroom behind or something. I will give it a try with that one as well, but I think yeah, all are locked and not really possible to see inside. But I think will be just, yeah, a bed, then here behind that should be then the bathroom, and then yeah, nature around, as you can see. I will try to find out how much they give the room for rent. That looks like also room for rents. At least, yeah, it looks like, because they keep some numbers 7, 8 and up as well on the rooms. So yeah, coming here then to the reception area again. Beautiful, nice. Tik, you got something already? Not yet? Tik right there, Alex behind. And the children, yeah, in the shadow area over there. Our driver and his wife joining us today as well. It's good, so we'll see. How much is the room per night?
11 room.
You have 11 room.
Yeah.
Okay, and how much per night? เท่าไหร่เท่าคืน 500 บาท
Yeah.
ต่อคืน Okay.
Big house.
Big house 800
Yeah.
Okay, near the reception.
Call me.
Okay.
Call me.
Okay, the big house. Okay, and then you have 1, 2, 3 small bungalow.
Yeah.
Yes. How?
ก็ have ข้างในอีก
Yes.
small bungalow.
Small bungalow. Okay, they are 500.
500
Big house
Big house
800. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Welcome.
11 room here, Mama. Beautiful. Still construction going on here, but I think when everything is done, even this here, you see already, Mama? That one? I think when that one is finished, with when I have all the flower on it, will be very nice.
Yes.
Someone got something already or not? You get something already, Alex? No. Ow. Yeah, so yeah, like I showed you before already, okay, the just bamboo stick, keep it simple tool here, 100 baht for rent. And then this is actually what you're fishing with. Yeah, it's like she was very funny. She explained it like it's nearly like sticky rice. Yeah, it's like a bread. You put a little, mix it together with water a little bit, and then form it like a ball, and put it then on the hook. And then normally the fish should come and eat it. Let's see. I will keep you updated if we get something today. See, Emily preparing now.
High break.
You need help? No, you can do it? Okay, perfect. Just stick it around. Good job. And who got this one here?
Alex.
Alex, good job. There's one.
ยังจะกินมันเหรอ
Good job. You will to eat now, Alex, or what?
ไม่รู้
พี่อะไรบอย
ไปตักตรงไหนนี่
ตักนู่น
เรียกว่ามันอยู่แถวนู้นเยอะ ใช่ตัวใหญ่เลย
เฮ้ย ไปตกไหม
Put
ไป
back
ตกไง
Put it back
เอาใส่เอาลงไปขึ้น ไปตกตรงนั้นน่ะตักได้ตรงไหนได้มันเยอะ
Bye bye Good job
มันน้อยเกิน
หน่อยเกินเอาไป เอาตัวใหญ่กว่านี้
Mama got the next one This is like you saw before already the base what we set up, and then actually also they have everything here what you're gonna need for barbecue.
Barbecue, chicken barbecue.
Chicken barbecue and some pork as well. And now Papa was lucky also. I got one. Yay! Benjamin, look. Woo! We'll release it, put back. And Papa got number 2. A little bigger one.
Yeah.
But we're gonna release him also.
Ooh.
Yay! Woohoo! Now Emily get her first one, right?
Yeah.
That's a good catch.
Yeah.
Good job. Put it back, okay?
Okay.
And here Papa got the next one again. And the one from Emily we missed on camera, huh? You get your second one also already, no? Good job. Sun is setting also right now. What a beautiful place here. Really cool. Yeah, and this is then how this place looks in the evening time. Now we just have some music in the background. Otherwise you just hear the sound of some animals. And then, yeah, actually the rest of the family also arrived now after work. We sent the van, our driver, picking them up from Buriram city, from the home, that they can join now the evening activity together with us. Yeah, because we are doing small party right now. And here's all the family over there, and the rest joining here and having some nice barbecue, some drinks of course. Benjamin got some friends now to play with.
เล็กสุดนี้นะไม่ต้องเขย่ามาเขย่าตรงนี้นะเอาสนับสนุนนะอย่าเพิ่งโอนนะ
And Emily got the biggest catch of the day so far.
ห้ามขยับ
Whoa, Emily, good job, huh? That's really big, huh?
ไป
Wow,
Number 5 now.
5 fish already,
ถ่าย
huh?
รูปก่อน
Good job.
แจมฟิชชิงปาร์ค
Gem Fishing Park, number 1.
บิ๊กถ่ายใกล้ๆนี่บิ๊กฟิต
And Emily, how about today?
Really good.
Really good. Yeah, you like it? And I think you'll be the winner for today also, huh? You the one who caught most of the fish. And the biggest one also, huh? Yeah. I have to say also that was really very great day. Nah? So if you here in or around Buriram, we really can recommend go see Gem Fishing Park. No? Is really good. Now you can spend there a nice relaxing day having some fun, and it's also really cheap there, and the people is super friendly. No? Long an, no? Very funny. No? Yeah. So I think that's it for today. We need to shower now. It's late already, and then we're going to sleep because tomorrow morning waking up early.
Yeah.
No? We have a trip tomorrow. Yeah. So shower and sleeping. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and then we see us very soon in the next one, guys. Take care and bye bye.
Bye bye.